If you've ever wanted to turn your ordinary photos into stunning cartoon art, but didn't know where to start, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to easily transform any photo into a cartoon masterpiece using Adobe Photoshop, even if you've never tried this before. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add a whole new style to your pictures, perfect for social media, profile pics, or just to wow your friends. Let's get right into it. First things first, open up Photoshop. If you're new to Photoshop, you'll want to make sure the program is installed and updated. Having the latest version just helps everything run smoothly. Once the software is open, take a moment to clear your workspace so you're not distracted by any previous projects. Next up, open your photo sample. This can be any picture you want to cartoonify. It could be a portrait, a pet photo, or maybe a landscape, just for fun. To do this, go up to File in the top menu and select Open, then browse to your image. Take a second to double-check your selection. Photos with clear subjects and good lighting work best for cartoon effects, but don't worry if your photo isn't perfect. This technique is pretty forgiving. Now it's time for the magic ingredient, the Photoshop action that automates most of the heavy lifting. You'll need to download this action. If you look right below this video, I've put a link for you. Just click it, and it should start downloading the file immediately. Occasionally, links might not work due to updates or location restrictions, so if the download doesn't start, just search Cartoon Photoshop Action on Google. You'll find plenty of options, both free and paid, but for this tutorial, stick with a reputable, well-reviewed source to make sure you're getting a safe file. Once your download is complete, it's time to bring the action file into Photoshop. In Photoshop, go to your Actions panel. If you don't see it, just go to Window and select Actions. Now, click the small menu icon in the corner and select Load Actions. Browse to the file you just downloaded, usually it ends with .atn, and select it. This step is crucial because loading the correct action ensures that your cartoon effect works as intended. Now, in the Actions panel, you'll see a list. Find the one labeled Action 1. This is the effect we'll use today. It might help to think of actions like little recipe instructions for Photoshop. They automate a series of steps so you don't have to do everything manually. Once you've located Action 1, just hit the play button at the bottom of the Actions panel. This is the moment where Photoshop works its magic. The program will start running through all the automated steps to transform your photo into fantastic cartoon art. Depending on your PC's speed and the size of your photo, this part might take a few moments. Don't worry if it seems slow. Photoshop is doing quite a bit behind the scenes, from layering effects to enhancing edges and adjusting colors. After it finishes, take a good look at your result. If you want, you can tweak layers, adjust saturation, or add your own creative touches. Each photo turns out a little different, so feel free to experiment. That's it. You've just turned a regular photo into a cartoon-style artwork in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see more effects like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Photoshop guides that help you get creative with your photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.